Most people say they want to start a business, but when you ask how far they've actually gotten, they'll say something like, "Hey, I'm still researching." Then what? Months go by, no progress, no customers. But here's the truth. You don't need permission to start. You just need direction. And that's why I put together this book that will help you be able to get your business finally off the ground. And I'm putting together this video series to help you fully get started. Now, I wrote Zero to Business because starting from scratch isn't easy, especially when you've never done it before. It's confusing. You don't know where to begin. You're not sure if you should register an LLC first, or make a logo, or file for an EIN. Heck, what is an EIN? And online you'll find 50 different opinions, most of them trying to sell you something you don't need. This series is different. I built it to give you a simple, actionable path to go from idea to legitimate business to your first customer. No fluff, no fake hustle, just clarity, momentum, and support. Now, in this series, I'm going to walk you through each chapter of the Zero to Business ebook, but not just as a summary. Think of it more as a mastermind conversation. Each episode will break down the why, the how, and the next step that you can take that very same day. Because the goal here isn't to just understand business, it's to build one. And so by the end of this series, you can have your very own registered business, your own name, a logo, your essential documents. Perhaps maybe you've taken the steps to build a business bank account, and more importantly, your first paying customer. You see, it's the roadmap I wish I had when I started. Now, who is this series for? This is for the person who's tired of saying, "I'm almost ready." You know you've got the skills, you know you've got the ideas, and you know you have the drive. But you just need structure and confidence to turn into something real. Now, maybe you've been stuck in research mode for the longest time. Heck, maybe you've already started, but it's still a side project. Or maybe you've tried before and simply quit because it felt too big. Now, no matter where you are in this journey, this is your reset point. This is your moment to say, "I'm going to do this for real this time." So let's pause for a second, because if you're watching this, you're already thinking about building something real, and I want to help you do it the smart way. So grab your free copy of my ebook, Zero to Business, the AI-powered playbook. Inside, I'll walk you through how to start your very own business from scratch and set up your personal AI business coach, a tool that helps you to plan, make decisions, and stay accountable as you grow. You'll also learn how to leverage AI, automation, and proven frameworks to move from idea to income much, much faster. The links are in the description. And while you're at it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join GHL Money Labs, our private community where we share resources, we run live sessions, and we help each other grow. Now let's jump back in. How do you make this count? Here's how. Watch this series one chapter at a time. Don't binge it, implement it. Now pause and answer the reflection questions that I provide in the series. And feel free to leave comments down answering those questions so that I can give you immediate feedback. See, that's how you'll actually move forward. And I encourage you to join GHL Money Labs, our community. That's where you'll find other templates, feedback, and others that are going to be doing this alongside with you. Now, inside the community, you'll also find bonus tools, such as the EIN checklist, additional document templates, and a place to go to post your miles as you make progress. And if you're at that point where you know you want to start a business, but you're not sure what, I want to give you a path worth exploring. You see, one of the fastest and most flexible business models right now is starting a high-level digital marketing agency. It's a platform that lets you offer real in-demand services to local businesses, helping them automate their front-end marketing, capture leads, and turn conversations into paying customers. And if you want to learn how that model works, or how to set up your first high-level account, check out the links in the description for GHL Money Labs, where you'll get free access to our 72-hour starter pack that maps out the exact business framework to start your own high-level powered agency. Now, full transparency, if you choose to sign up for High Level using my affiliate links, I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you, but it's one way to support the channel as well as series like this while getting access to the exact tools that I use for my business. Now, before we get started with chapter 1, I want you to write this sentence down. By the end of this series, I will have a real business that, I want you to finish that thought. That's your anchor. Because clarity creates movement, and movement creates momentum. Now, I'm Alex Vasquez, founder of Expert Hats and GHL Money Labs, and I've helped hundreds of people go from technical skills or side hustles to real income producing businesses. Now it's your turn. So grab your very own copy of Zero to Business, subscribe to the playlist, and join the GHL Money Labs community to access the template support and starter packs that will help you to actually build it. Because you're not just starting a business, you're building freedom, one decision at a time.